Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Not every day is a day to take out your hardcore dishware set. That's why I really like this one from Osonm. This 24-piece set is made entirely out of wheat straw. The wheat straw plastic makes it safe to be able to put it into the microwave as well as the dishwasher. And it's super easy to clean up as well. The dishes themselves are made out of that lightweight material, so they're very easy and could be really suitable for kids as well. They have a nice ridge detailing, making them pretty enough for company or just for your everyday use. It comes with 8 different cups, and this is the assorted set, as well as some dishes and bowls. The bowls are nice and deep, and the plates have a really nice lip to them, so you can really put a lot on these plates. It's really a nice step above just your ordinary paper plates that you might use. It's lightweight, and it's really nice to be able to put this into the microwave so that you can heat up your food without feeling like it's going to get that plastic into the food. The set makes for a really nice everyday use, or you could use it if you go camping or on a picnic, or as I mentioned, even just for kids. I really don't feel like taking out my regular dishes every day, but this is a nice alternative because they're elegant, they're easy to wash, and they're nice and lightweight. And that's my point of view.